Hello folks, this is Jeff Phillips with SmokeandMeat.com. Let's make a peach dump cake. So I'm using 2 cans of peach pie filling. Just make sure it's spread out good. 1 box yellow cake mix. Just not being too careful with it. Just making sure it's even as possible, but it's not a big deal. And I'm going to use a potato masher just to press it down a little bit. Got 1 stick of butter. I have ground allspice. We're going to use about 1/2 teaspoon. I'm just going to kind of something like that. I have ground cinnamon, same type of deal, about 1/2 teaspoon, like that. And we are ready to put this in the smoker at 375 degrees for about 1 hour. We'll come back and check on that in about 40 minutes. Our dump cake's been in here right at 1 hour. We checked it at about 40 minutes and it needed a little more time. It's looking really good, nice and brown. The fruit is bubbling up, as you can see. So let's get this thing in the house and we'll cut into it. Man, that looks good. Look at that. You got fruit, you got nice crust. This makes such a good dessert. It kind of reminds me of like a peach crisp or something my mom used to make. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today as I cooked up this dump cake in the pellet smoker. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.